That'll be a leak. Let me get this turned off. Good morning from the barn. We're inside the living space right now. Morning's just starting. We got coffee going. I'm never gonna be one to say like, oh, make sure you like my video, you know, comment, subscribe. But hey, all that stuff helps out with the algorithm. That stuff, you know, likes, comments, all that. Who knows how even the algorithm works? I live in a barn, so if you want to ask me how an algorithm works, well, I'm like out here trying to dig up water pipes inside of a barn, so I might be the wrong person to ask. Anyways, that's just like a quick little thing right there, you know, just me saying thank you. So I'm gonna get back to it. So what we're looking at here is the incoming water for the barn. And I do have a leak. And it looks like the leak's coming from underground. There's no leak on any of this exposed copper pipe. The leak is coming from down here. So what I'm gonna do is dig it out, get an actual shovel, but dig it out and see what I could find. All right, I'm gonna get a smaller little hand shovel. So I'm using a plastic shovel here. It's a little kiddie shovel. It's got some bend to it, but I figured this would be better than a metal shovel, just so I don't damage the pipe. We're almost there. Okay, I can see something. Oh boy. Help. That's what happens when you use plastic kid shovels, I guess, but this thing's doing the job. And that actually made it better. So, all right. I think I found the problem. We got our water pipe here that comes down, hits the 90 right there, and goes over to our incoming water. Let me zoom on in here. This little black speck right there, I believe that is gonna be the leak. So I'm gonna turn the water on. We'll see what happens. That's a leak. Oh yeah. All right. Well, at least I know there's a leak, and that's the problem, so time to address this. So I'm gonna do some research on it, learn some things, you know, probably fail a couple times, but hey, I'm gonna make it happen, gonna make it work. We're gonna get water in this place, so here we go. So what I'm gonna do is put a temporary patch on here, you know, fingers crossed, hope that works. Fingers crossed, let's see. That's our culprit right there. So I'm gonna clean around the area, try to get it where I can throw some tape, whatever I need to on there. And this time, when I turn the water on, I'm gonna have this board over it in case there is a huge leak and all my work was for nothing. At least there's now a board over it to keep the stairs dry. Okay, last time I did this was pretty chaotic, but let's see what happens. Oh, geez, I hear something. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so attempt one didn't work out. A weak point in my system. So right here, water was coming out. Right there. All right, so I'm gonna try this out. Got it wrapped up, threw some putty around there, wrapped it up. I'm gonna say a quick prayer to the plumbing gods and hope for the best. Round two. All right. Here we go. It's gonna work out. It'll all work out. It doesn't sound great. Let's see what it's looking like. Not terrible. Yeah. All right, so my plumbing seal did not work. Didn't work. I think it just encouraged me to actually get the pieces swapped out correctly rather than try to just do this temporary thing. So I'm gonna call it a day today. I'm pretty wiped out. Get back at it tomorrow with a nice, fresh state of mind. My plan is gonna be to do this. I'll show you. I'm gonna take off this tape. First thing first, cut off the tape, expose the copper pipe again. And then what I'm gonna do is cut this piece off right here. I'm gonna cut this piece off right here. That way I can get a new coupler, new fitting, and just basically rebuild what was right here. This PVC to copper fitting is gonna be weird to find. This is 1 inch, this is 1/2 inch. Copper to PVC. My pinhole was basically right by the head of the connector. The shark bites, they say they need about 1 inch to grab onto. I did not have 1 inch to grab onto. I maybe had like a 1/16 of an inch. So if you do have any thoughts at all about the plumbing or anything like that, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know. But yeah, really, I can't be mad that I didn't get it today. You know, I can't be mad about that. The water situation, it's been a go. It has been a go for sure. It's all part of the process. So today kicked my butt more than any other day. It's all good. And really through this whole barn process, the biggest trooper has been my cat. She's it's a cat, you know? So first off, moving with a cat is tough. We had to move from Oakland to this barn. She's just been a trooper. So last few days I've been super busy. I haven't really been able to spend a whole lot of time with her. So she's been stuck in the house. It's a new space, so she's still not fully comfortable. You know, I want to make sure she's good. So it's like 3:30 right now. I'm gonna call it an early day. Spend the rest of the day with my cat. Thank you again for watching. I'm about to shoot over to the barn. I'm not in there right now. I'm in, I won't go into full detail, but this is where I like shower and kind of just do the luxuries of get like hot water and ice and, you know, clean drinking water. I'm about to get that water situation fixed, about to get the water heater going. I'm about to have full water in that barn soon. So stay tuned.